Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maricel!
Happy birthday. 44 ka na, anak. I miss you. Sa haba-haba ng panahon. Yan ang anak kong very support. Happy birthday. Sana maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa'yo at maging improvement ang sarili mo na magandang trabaho at saka mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga kapatid mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Pahinga.
Happy birthday!
Siya.
Baka maiyak pa si ate.
Wala. Wala na message. Happy birthday na lang.
Hi, Ate Maricel. Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. You're always there for me. My workout buddy. And then also my best friend. And you're not 24, you're not 34, you are certified 44. So hope you like your birthday gift for me. You know why I'm always working outside, right? So hope you enjoy your birthday today. Stay healthy. And thank you so much.
Hi, Sel. Happy birthday. On your special day, I want to thank you for being such an amazing friend. May all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday to an amazing friend. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the things that you make you happiest. Thank you for your kindness and the wonderful memories we've shared. May this new year of your life bring good health, endless blessings, exciting opportunities, and dreams come true.
Hi Sel, happy birthday! Sana sana maging happy ka ngayong birthday mo kasama ang friend and family. Sana matupad mo pa lahat ng mga wishes mo. Lahat ng mga gusto mo pang maabot na pangarap sa buhay mo. Sana magkita-kita tayo ulit nila siya pagbalik mo dito. Thank you for being a good friend. Stay healthy and pretty.
Ay Ate Maricel, happy birthday. Hindi ko nasasabihin yung edad mo dahil alam ko 18 ka pa lang. Love you, happy birthday.
Okay, rolling.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Maricel. Happy birthday, Tita Maricel.
Happy birthday, Ate Maricel! Heart, heart!
Hi, hello ate, happy birthday. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta mo. Pasensya na sa mga nangyari. Hoping na lagi kang okay at stay healthy. Kamusta mo na ako sa mga anak mo, sa kay Kuya Dan. I hope na lagi kang pretty at sexy. Ingat ka palagi sa work mo, sa mga bagay na ginagawa mo, at sana magkita-kita ulit tayo dito sa Pilipinas pagdating ng panahon na pwede na kayo. Salamat, para makompleto ulit tayo at mapasaya mo silang mama at papa. Maraming salamat. Love you.
Birthday to Maricel. Ito lagi, God bless. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.